case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In District of Columbia v. Beretta U.S.A. Corp. Dar, a 2008 case heard by the District of Columbia Court of Appeals, gun manufacturers, importers, and distributors were sued by individual plaintiffs and the District of Columbia for damages caused by the misuse of firearms. The defendants claim protection under the Protection of Lawful Commerce in Arms Act, PLCAA, while the plaintiffs argued that the PLCAA was unconstitutional and violated separation of powers and due process principles. The court examined several issues, including whether the PLCAA applied to pending cases and if it was in line with the Constitution. Ultimately, the court affirmed the dismissal of the plaintiff's suit, holding that applying the PLCAA to the plaintiff's claims did not violate due process as it served a legitimate congressional purpose. The court also found that the Takings Clause did not prevent retroactive application of the PLCAA since causes of action weren't fully vested interests until reduced to final judgments.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.